Welcome back to CJ's Keto Kitchen. Tonight we're going to be making some more breakfast food, and we are going to be making some adorable little cups, and they're bacon and egg cups. They're very easy and they're very pretty, so they would be really nice for a brunch idea or any kind of party or family get together, and they're also very portable, so they'd be great for your kids to take to school or for you to pack in your lunch. They're very easy and they're very keto friendly. In fact, they're paleo. They could also be considered carnivore, so lots of different eating lifestyles could use this recipe. So come along with us and let's get started making this easy breakfast. Okay, to start our egg cups, we need to partially cook our bacon. So I like to do my bacon in the oven at 400 degrees. You're more than welcome to do it in a pan if that's how you do your bacon, but we need 12 slices of bacon because we are going to be using a muffin tin, and you want to pre-spray your muffin tin. So we need 12 slices of bacon, and I'm going to put mine in a 400 degree oven for about 10 minutes. You want your bacon to be partially cooked, but still flexible enough for us to feed into our muffin tin. So I'm going to put my bacon in and just watch it so that it gets about halfway done. I think that's about ready. Okay, so I pre-cooked my bacon about halfway. I am going to remove my bacon onto a paper towel covered plate and let it cool off for just a minute, and then we will fold them around into our little muffin cups. Okay, so you are going to take your pieces of bacon and just put them in your muffin tin in a nice little circle to make the little.
Show them how the bacon was?
Oh, so my bacon, you see that it's mostly cooked, partially cooked, but still flexible, because you need it to still be flexible enough to do this step. So, because it's going to further crisp in the oven when we're baking it. So it's flexible, but it's still mostly cooked. So whether you choose to do that on your stove or whether you do it in the oven like I do, because I do not like getting splattered with grease. I do like bacon, but I like making my bacon in the oven. So if you've never done it in the oven, you should give it a try. So we're just making little frames, little nests, so that when we put our egg in, the bacon is just going to further cook around the egg, making a little cup or a little basket. And you can use any kind of bacon that you want. My first batch of bacon behaved better than this batch of bacon. Now, we are going to take our eggs, and of course you're going to need a dozen eggs because you've got a dozen holes here. And we're going to carefully crack into each muffin tin an egg. So these eggs are going to end up soft set. And of course, you know, you can cook them based on how you like your egg. If you like your egg a little firmer. Now you could also, you know, put scrambled egg in here if you wanted, or add vegetables, cheese. But we're just going to cook them like this, because they look really cute like this. And then I'm going to put a little bit of green onion and some seasoning on the top of each of my eggs. You could use chives, you could use any other kind of herbs. It just makes them look really pretty and spring-like with the green on top. And these would be a pretty, like I said earlier, a brunch idea or a shower. or if you were gonna have company, you could make these ahead of time. You can freeze these, you can refrigerate them however long you need to. And then you can just reheat them in the microwave. Okay, so we have cracked our eggs into each cup. And I'm going to season mine with a little bit of Trader Joe's 21 seasoning salute. You can use whatever you'd like. I'm also going to put a little salt and pepper. And a little bit of salt. Oh, I missed one for the seasoning. And then I'm just going to put a little bit of onion on there. Give it some flavor and some color. And like I said, you could do chives or you could do some other herb if there's an herb you're fond of. You could put chopped pepper in here. I'm going to leave 2 without onion for my children. And these need to go back into our oven. Like I said, I cooked my bacon in the oven, but if you didn't, the oven needs to be at 400 degrees. And we're gonna cook these for about 12 to 15 minutes, depending on how firm you like your egg. Ready? They're done. This is what they're supposed to look like. And the egg is soft set on some of them, and it's a little firmer set on others, because CJ doesn't like egg gravy, but I do. But if you like egg gravy, then just watch your eggs accordingly, and it would keep it a little more soft set. But these are firmer. Okay, CJ, it is time for another taste test.
Wow.
I know the drudgery.
I get another opportunity to eat more keto food. Wow. I don't know if I can do it.
So what are you eating today?
These are our delicious bacon and egg cups. I believe that's what we're calling them. And they're easy to make, pretty portable.
Yep, and you have some without green onions and some with.
Yes, here's one with green onions. All right.
Okay.
Let's get this
Down the hatch. Is the bacon crispy?
Yeah. Yeah, I've had this before. Somebody else made it, and their bacon wasn't crispy. So that is part of the key to this, is the whole
pre-cooking.
Pre-cooking
at
your
least
bacon.
halfway. Yeah.
Yeah, that's a key to this, making this taste good. Yeah, it's good. It's good. I don't know. You know, there's a fine line between cooking the bacon all the way and, you know, pre-cooking it, but it's good. It's crispy. The only thing I would add, but this is just a personal preference, I add ketchup to all my eggs. So
yes, all your eggs. Yeah,
it's good.
That's kind of a Midwestern thing, so it must be an East Coast thing too.
I don't know. Yeah, it's good.
Okay, good. We'll see you next time.
Okay, bye.
Bye. Thanks for joining us again tonight, you guys. We hope that you enjoy the egg cups and that you will share them with your friends and family. Please consider subscribing to our channel and also hitting the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new recipes. We also have Keto Conversations on Wednesdays. And if you need further information about the recipe, the macros, other meal ideas, be sure to visit our blog, and that is cjsketokitchen.com. So come on back next time and be a part of our ketogenic family and do some more cooking with us. We'll see you then. Bye.